Hey guys, welcome back to Ken Tam's YouTube channel. In this video, you're going to be experiencing yet another epic transformation. So this video comes in two parts. This was a full landscaping project and we're starting you off with the back. Stay tuned for the front. Quarter down has been put, or rather the limestone has been put, and yeah, it's getting ready for all the good juices, all the materials to go down. So the artificial grass is here, the polymeric sand is here, the edgers, the pavers are here as well.
Okay, so far and the pavers are
every day we're moving, grinding on, grinding on. Every day we're moving, grinding on, grinding on. Every day we're moving, grinding on, grinding on. Every day.
guys, I'm doing this good for the rocks. Can you see the edging? The pavers? So we're gonna have some artificial grass design over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're done with that. It's gonna look very beautiful, yeah? Look at that. Took us 2 days to do this shit. I else now will get the job done for you. Love you. Guys, so this is the grass. We've done the pavers and leveled it out, but yet to put the polymeric sand. We'll have the grass isn't cutting. I believe we are cutting it right now. So you can see that. It's time now to nail every 4 inch. I mean every 6 inch, sorry, 6 inch. And then we have our pavers leveled, left with the polymeric sand. We have our river rocks over there. If I zoom in, you see that. We started sprinkling in the clay sand just to give like some extra comfort.
We also installed a staircase from the back door to the backyard. Final steps, last thing, and now we're just watering the rocks. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I know it turned out super amazing and this is just part 1, so stay tuned for part 2 where we also show you what we did for the front yard. And yeah, follow us on all our social media. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, turn on your post notifications, and we will see you again next time. Remember, we do all things home improvement. Goodbye.